Hey guys, it's me. And do you hear those sounds out? Hear that noise out there? Oh yes. It's 12 o'clock. It's Tuesday on the second Tuesday of July. And it's Jax, get back inside. Back. Come on. Come on, Jax. Get back inside. Jax, come on. Get back inside. Go. I need to do this on my own. You hear that? This is what I'm always scared of, folks. The sound of tornado sirens. But nobody take action during this test. It's only just a test. For all of those who are afraid, thinks there's a real tornado coming, don't worry. It's just a test. Nothing personal. Crap. You can hear some other dogs out in this neighborhood howling to it. I've seen lots of siren tests on YouTube. I've seen lots of siren tests on YouTube and dogs howling at them. If there was a real tornado, you know what to do. If there was a real tornado, all you guys out there, all you people out there know what to do. If there is a real tornado, and if the siren sounds, and if there is a real tornado, get active. Go down to the lower level of a building, stadium, or theater, arena somewhere, and take shelter immediately. Get underground, and get underground and take cover. Here you go. Alright. I guess it's over for now. Wow, that was intense. So, for all those who are worried, who know the actual reason why those sirens sound is because it was 12 o'clock on the second Tuesday of July. Hot dang, man. I was scared. I was already scared anyway. But sirens are yeah. So there's no good news is there's no tornado. Right? No tornado. We're all safe now. It's 4 minutes past 12. I wasn't expecting this today. Just like I said, if there really was a real tornado, get underground, find crap. If there is a real tornado, seek shelter immediately. Stop what you're doing and find a lower level of a building, stadium, arena, theater, house, school, or church, anywhere. And find somewhere safe to seek shelter and protect yourself. Gotta learn these though. Was I so serious out there? You hear that? You hear that siren? Take action. If it's a real tornado, take action. You think that's clear, Jax? You just don't want to look at the camera. Camera's off, Jax. I'm just... Alright. You know, I don't feel like filming up the stairs. I'll just cut till I'm done. So, that's all. That's all the footage I have of a siren test. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you weren't scared. It was intense, though. Come on, Jax. Oh. It was just, there was no tornado. It was just a test. Alright, everyone. I'm gonna stop this video right now. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Google Plus, do something. I hope that loud siren got me intense anyway. I'm already shaking. So, I'll see you soon.